Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Michael Glass, and I'm here to help you get started with your SCM account. And in order to do that, we put together a Getting Started video series. We want to make sure that now that you have chosen SCM as your broker for trading Forex, that you have a smooth transition both in getting started and, more importantly, going forward as you manage your account. So to do that, we want to make sure you are comfortable with the MT4 platform. So we have created this Getting Started series to help you get started. So as a part of this, we're going to make sure that you're able to install the MT4 platform. Make sure you can find your email with the username and password, how to get connected to the server. We want to make sure you're able to create a workspace. We all have our likes, our dislikes. We all have a way that we like things to look. And so your workspace is how do you want MT4 to look each time you pull it up? How do you want your charts to look? How do you want the look and feel? Because again, we all have our preferences. Once you have the look and the feel for MT4, we want to make sure you're able to place your orders. How are you going to get into the Forex market? We also want to make sure you know how to modify those orders. Sometimes we get in there and we see something that we don't like, and so therefore we might want to tighten up our stops. We may want to just cancel the order. There's a variety of reasons that you may want to modify your order, so we're going to explain that to you. And as I just said, you might want to cancel your order. One of the best decisions you can make is not get into a trade. And so canceling a trade is a trade. Sitting on hands is a trade. So again, how do you place an order? How do you modify an order? How do you cancel an order? All very important things to managing your risk. And so once you are in a trade, there is an orders tab, and separate from trading from the chart, you can trade from the orders tab. And so we want to make sure that you understand this order tab so that you can manage your risk, so you can understand how to protect your capital. So we have a video for you on that. We also want to make sure, as we talked about earlier about the look and feel and creating a workspace, we also want to make sure you understand the different charts that you can utilize in the MTP platform. Sure, there's line, bar, candlestick, whatever floats your boat, different time frames, 1 hour, 4 hours. Again, all the charting settings, we want to make sure you're comfortable with that. And we also want to make sure you're comfortable with putting on indicators inside those charts. We're not endorsing indicators. We're not going to recommend which ones to use, but we do want to make sure you understand how to put those indicators onto your chart. Again, this is our Getting Started series to make sure that you feel comfortable with your SCM experience. So with that said, we're going to head to the first video in this Getting Started series, and that is making sure you're able to install the MT4 platform.